Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala.
The thought is like woman be no. Let me when you top finish I go and for ya. Chop like this. Spanner. I am not doing food challenge with you. Respect beans. Respect beans. Respect beans. Okay. Spanner. Which express go? Who got this express by this side? Who passed express here that for my plate?
No be me now. No start to clean my own plate there.
No.
Flies everywhere. I hate all these flies.
Spanner, who fly my meat? My beans. Who? What flied my beans? I think I have to go. I've tried enough already so that it will not be like I'm doing something that is not making sense. When I day and I tell you, you know, the man does the chop small. Chop small. Now you don't finish your food, and I can't put out for my own food. No problem. Jesus.
Okay.